Okay, just did an upgrade on my Orbea with these Mavic Allroad Pro wheel set with the Yksion tyres as well, but they're 30Cs. I'm not sure whether I'm going to like this because I was using the Vittoria 38Cs, the default standard, but got these from Try UK, the worst company I've ever dealt with, and I hope I never have to deal with them ever again. They're the shittiest company ever. I don't know how they're still in business because they shouldn't be, but anyway, I haven't adjusted the mud guards, as you can see. Today is going to be my first ride with it. See how I go. These are tubeless. I've set them up as tubeless, so today I'm going to pop my cherry on the most expensive tyres and wheel sets that I've ever had, and tubeless as well. So I've never had either one. Dead easy to fit. They were so simple, they just worked. I don't know, some people on YouTube have complained that they've had problems fitting them in. I had nothing. Only interesting fact about the Yksion setup is that the tyres have to face opposite, so not like normal tyres, they don't both face the same way. But anyway, this is the first part, and I'll give you a review once I've ridden it a bit, and let's see how we go. I hope I like them. Okay, that's finished a 6 or 7 mile, I don't know how long the ride was, but over all sorts of surfaces. So my conclusion, yeah, 30Cs fine for road, for hard compact sort of grounds, not a problem. Road over sort of dry field, not a problem. On wet slippery mud, not so. I did slip, not badly, but I wasn't going that fast anyway. But I wouldn't recommend it for proper wet wintry UK roads. The wheels, would I recommend them? Yes, absolutely. Fantastic. I've kept thinking, why am I going so fast? So they roll really well, very quiet, just brilliant. Absolutely enjoyed that. I wasn't sure whether I was going to enjoy them because I put the 32C what are they called, continental all-weather things or whatever, and I didn't like them in the past, so I thought maybe I'm going to hate this, having paid a lot of money for this. But no, definitely highly recommend them. There's nothing to complain about. Just going back to my Try UK experience, I paid them, I think 20th of June, didn't hear anything back for months and months. In fact, I'd even got in touch with a credit card company because they wouldn't answer their phones, they wouldn't do anything. Anyway, eventually got them, just turned up about a week and a bit ago, and on fitting out everything, turned out the front wheel, that one there, wasn't true. I had to pay to have them trued again, and I don't know if anyone knows, but Mavic use a special tool. It's not the standard spoke tuner thing, so that was about another tenner or something, plus I had to pay for getting them trued. So whatever you do, do not spend even a penny with Try UK. Horrible rubbish company, never come across anyone shittier. But yeah, overall very pleased with everything. First ride today on the Mavics, and there you go. Bring it up closer. There you go. There's everything. Let's see. And I hope I haven't had any punches. Well, I haven't heard anything anyway. So, but they seem to have quite a smooth interior bit, just like the Tyranos that I've got. So overall, brilliant. Yeah, I haven't, as I said, changed the mudguards over or adapted them or whatever you're supposed to do because I couldn't be bothered. Anyway, hope you like my rough review on the Mavic Allroad Pro wheel set and Yksion tyres. Yksion Allroad Pro. Is it, what are they called? Elites or Pros? Can't remember. Anyway, there you go. That's my first experience. Hope you enjoyed that. And now I can go and watch the Tour de France.